Alright, let's be honest. We've all been there. You're stood in the bathroom, still a bit sleepy. You're about to jump in the shower. Your hand reaches for the tap, and then you hesitate. You know you should turn it to cold, just for a minute. Everyone's talking about it. But your brain is screaming, "No way, mate! Let's just have it nice and warm and cozy." That little moment of dread is so real, isn't it? It feels like you're about to do something properly mad. Like jumping into the sea in the middle of winter. The comfort of a hot, steamy shower is calling your name. It's safe, it's familiar, and it won't make you gasp for air. But what if that tiny hesitation is actually a massive opportunity? What if that shiver of fear is the doorway to a different kind of energy? We chase comfort all the time. Warm blankets, sip hot coffees, scroll on our phones. But real, lasting energy doesn't always come from the easy option. Sometimes you lean into a little discomfort. For years, people have thought cold showers were just for tough guys or super intense athletes. You see it in films, don't you? The boxer getting ready for a big fight, standing under freezing water to prove how hard they are. Cartoon myth versus fact graphic. Myth bubble showing a shivering, miserable person. It's created this myth that cold showers are all about willpower and mental toughness. People think it's just gritting your teeth to prove you can handle it. But that's only a tiny piece of the puzzle. The real benefits aren't just in your head. They're happening all throughout your body, backed by fascinating science. The idea that it's purely a mental game puts many people off. They think, "I'm not a Royal Marine, so that's not for me." That's like saying you shouldn't jog unless training for a marathon. The truth, a cold shower is a wellness hack for everyone. It's not about being the toughest person in the room, it's about being the most energized, focused, resilient. The feeling afterwards isn't just relief that it's over, it's a genuine physical and mental boost. Let's swap toughness for smartness. Cold water works with your body's natural systems, not against them. So what's actually going on when that cold water hits you, and you feel that massive gasp? It's not just your body being dramatic. That sharp intake of breath is called the gasp reflex. It's the start of something brilliant. It instantly increases your oxygen intake, which floods your brain and body with fresh O2. This deep breathing helps to supercharge your system and shake off that morning grogginess way faster than a slow sip of coffee. At the same time, your heart rate gets a little kickstart. It starts pumping blood more efficiently to keep your core warm, which gets your circulation going like nothing else. Think of it like a workout for your insides. When the cold water hits, your blood vessels on the surface of your skin, the capillaries, shrink. This is called vasoconstriction. Use marketing infographic silhouette showing blue arrows inward, red arrows outward. It forces your blood to move to your deeper tissues and organs to keep them warm and functioning. Then when you warm up again, the vessels open up, and all that fresh, oxygen-rich blood rushes back to the surface. This process helps to flush out waste products, reduce inflammation, and deliver nutrients more effectively all around your body. That initial shock of a cold shower does more than just wake up your body, it flips a switch in your brain. When the cold water hits your skin, it sends a massive number of electrical impulses. Those impulses race along peripheral nerves straight to the brain. It's like a lightning bolt of information that jolts you out of a sleepy or anxious state. This has a powerful antidepressive effect. Some researchers think it's because modern life lacks brief physiological stressors we evolved with. Short bursts of hot, short bursts of cold. This jolt triggers the release of key brain chemicals. The main one here is norepinephrine. It's a hormone and neurotransmitter crucial for focus. It's crucial for attention. It's crucial for mood. A norepinephrine rush makes you feel alert. It makes you feel engaged. It makes you feel ready for action. It's like high-performance fuel for your brain. Coffee gives you caffeine that blocks sleepiness signals. A cold shower floods your brain with chemicals that create vigilance and focus. You're not just less tired, you are more switched on. Beyond chemicals, there's a big psychological benefit: building resilience. Every time you turn the tap to cold, you practice overcoming resistance. Right then, are you feeling ready to give it a go? The idea of going from zero to hero and jumping straight into an ice-cold shower can be a bit much, so don't do that. Start small, make it manageable. We're going to ease into it with the warm to cold finisher. Warm shower first, enjoy it. Do all your usual washing. Have a sing-song if you want. Enjoy it. Once you're all done, right at the very end, that's when you make your move. Take a deep breath, then turn the tap to cold. Not freezing, just cold. Aim for 15 seconds. You can count it out loud, 1 to 15, or watch the timer. It's going to feel like a shock. Your instinct will be to jump out, but just stay with it. Breathe through it. After 15 seconds, you can turn the water off. That's it. You've done it. Give yourself a little pat on the back. You've completed day 1. The next day, aim for 30 seconds, then try 45 seconds, and even a full minute. The goal is to slowly increase your time under the cold water each day or every few days. So there you have it. The cold shower isn't the enemy we thought it was. It's not a medieval torture device or a test of your machismo. It's one of the most powerful tools you have to transform how you feel every day. It's simple and it's free. We've seen how it kickstarts your circulation. It wakes up your brain with a flood of feel-good chemicals. It strengthens your immune system. It helps fire up your metabolism. It beats coffee. It doesn't lend you energy. It helps you create pure, clean, natural energy from within. It's a total game changer for your body and your mind. Think about your morning routine right now. Does it set you up to win the day, or does it just help you slowly crawl into it? Swap a few minutes of cozy comfort for a blast of invigorating cold. You're making a powerful statement. You're choosing strength. You're choosing resilience. You're choosing control over your state. This is your challenge. Ready to take the plunge?